Alexa Marco, and this is our channel, The Traveling Woodsies. We've spent the last decade traveling the world and use this channel to share all our travel tips and advice we have collected along the way. For the last year, we've started our own little van life here in southern Germany. This summer, we had the chance to escape to the picturesque Eibsee. Here are our 5 tips to help you make the most out of your visit. But first, the Eibsee, or Yew Lake, as we would say in English, is a lake approximately 100 kilometers outside of Munich. It is north of the Zugspitze, the highest mountain peak in Germany. To get to the lake, you can take a car or you can take public transportation. There are many little hideaways to lay on during the summer and a fun hiking trail that loops the entirety of the lake. So before we name the travel tips, don't forget to subscribe to get notifications when we have new travel tips and videos ready for you. Now, on to the advice. The Eibsee is a beautiful lake with crystal clear waters. It reminded us of Lake Tahoe in the United States. Since it is so beautiful, it is also a favorite spot to visit for both locals and tourists. Therefore, it's best to get there early. We arrived around 8 a.m. and there was hardly anybody around the lake. But by noon, the trail was full of people. So if you want to enjoy some beautiful scenic pictures, definitely arrive earlier rather than later. As we said, there is a nice trail that goes the entire way around the lake. It takes around 4 hours to go around the entirety of the lake at a leisurely pace. Even if you're planning to stay close to the beginning, there is still a bit of walking on trails. Therefore, it's important to pack a good pair of tennis shoes or hiking boots so you don't wreck your flip-flops.
This is the part I'm worried about.
That's the easy part.
That's the easy part. What's the hard part?
The wood part.
I did the wood part.
Well then, go on. Oh, you're already soaking your foot.
Not much. I can't feel it. Make it there? Probably not. There, maybe. Maybe
Okay. This was a mistake.
If you choose to visit the Eibsee by car, definitely research the parking choices ahead of time. As in the rest of Germany and Europe, the parking next to the attraction costs a decent amount, €7 for the first 4 hours and €1 every hour afterwards, at the time of this video. To save a bit of money, look into other options around the area. There are quite a few which are free and only require a little extra hiking. Look for these words to help you aid your search. The one we found was only a 15-minute walk to the lake. So if you're a fan of walking a little for free parking, give this video a like. There are many gorgeous views around the lake. However, the only spot which offers refreshments is near the parking. And the walk around the entirety of the lake is about 4 hours. Therefore, make sure to bring some snacks or food in case you want to stop in a section not close to the refreshments and enjoy your own private oasis. We definitely saved the best for last. The Eibsee has beautiful clear waters, which are super refreshing in the summer. Don't forget to pack a swimsuit and a quick dry towel to hop in whenever you get a little hot. Also for my American friends, please be aware that there are no changing areas, so make sure you are prepared ahead of time. We hope you found these tips helpful for your next trip to the Eibsee. If you've already been, what tips do you have? Let us know in the comments below. Have a nice day, and we'll see y'all next time.